Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another weight loss type of episode. I recently have been filming videos about my weight loss journey, and as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, if you don't know, I'm a medical assistant at a hospital corporation. So in reality, I sit mostly all day long. I am up and rooming patients, but the amount of space that I walk to the amount of time that I sit isn't really balanced. I walk like this much of the time, and then I sit like this much of the time. So it doesn't really help. But with weight loss, I wanted to not only incorporate diet changes, but I also wanted to incorporate some form of exercise. I am not an exerciser. I never have been. I was naturally skinny and fit in high school because I played sports, and that's basically it. I played softball in high school, so I was always running back and forth, always doing something in the fall and the spring. So the only downtime I really had was in the winter, because summer there was everything too. But however, I wanted to incorporate something with sitting. So if you're forced to sit and you're forced to work a desk job, I have something that I found that is a good start to your day. So I don't know if you guys know, but the store Five Below actually sells exercise equipment, and it's pretty cheap. It's like max $5. So I did buy this little guy right here. This is a weighted ball. He is 8 pounds. And one thing I loved about this was that it's small. One, I can carry it places. Not saying that it would fit in a purse, but if you're going anywhere, this would fit in your typical tote bag. However, I do sit a lot at a desk, and I just wanted to incorporate exercise at work, you know, because you come home, have dinner, it's late, you're going to bed already, and you miss time for exercise. And maybe you have found the time for exercise, but you could have done more throughout the day. So I found this guy, and I thought it was pretty cool because I found that if I just sat, say I'm just taking messages on the phone and I'm writing with this hand, I'm listening to the message and writing with this hand, and with this hand I could be lifting it over my head and back down and just keep doing it. Even with the other side, you could just keep going. I also noticed if you put this on the floor, obviously you guys can't see, not really on the floor, but if you put your feet flat on the floor and then you puff up your toes to keep the ball right on top of your toes and you put it on your feet, you could swing your legs up and back while you're sitting in your chair. This, I think, could work for a lot of people who also have back problems, who can't really lift weights or they can't really walk for long periods of time. Really using your arm is really just using your arm. It's using some muscles in your back, but it's not really as much as you would with like seriously picking up weights or anything like that. But I thought this was such a great idea for people who are just starting out to try to lose weight, and if you want to exercise at home hardcore and then just do a little bit extra during the day, it is no harm to just do a little bit extra during the day. I also did buy, that I don't have here, they're actually at work, 2 little dumbbells. They're 5 pounds each, and even again, while using the ball, I'll just sit there and go in and out, in and out, in and out with my arms, just to try to do that during the day. And it works. It's effective. It feels just like exercising. If you can feel the burn, it starts to work. But yeah, those were also $5 each. So in total, I spent $15 on equipment that's really gonna help me lose weight. I just wanted to make this quick little video about that because I do want to keep you guys updated on what I'm doing with my fitness journey and everything like that. And so that's really it. I hope you guys use this video and go to Five Below, maybe save a couple extra 15 bucks and invest in some, it's not the best quality, but it'll do. You know what I mean? It'll work for being at work. It's equipment that's not really used for like a gym. It's really supposed to be at work while you're working, to be like multitasking, taking messages, writing messages on the computer, filling scripts on the computer, things like that. You can really sit there and just, you know, up and down, up and down, up and down, back and forth. So I hope you guys take this and you go buy one and you go buy some stuff and try to get fit as well. I know that a lot of people out there really struggle with trying to lose weight, and I'm totally in that category because I just have such an addiction to food that it's disgusting. So I'm trying, haven't backed down yet. I'm almost at the 2-week mark on Monday coming up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you utilize it and go out to Five Below or to any fitness center and try to buy some weights and start exercising. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, and I hope you turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos, and I will see you all in my next one.